The story of the frog who wanted to sing. In a peaceful pond, there lived a little frog named Finn who loved to sing. But every time he tried, he felt embarrassed. My croak sounds funny, he thought. I'm not like the birds or the crickets. One evening, as the sun began to set, Finn heard a beautiful tune from a bird in the trees. I wish I could sing like that, he sighed. A wise old turtle who had been resting by the pond overheard him. Finn, the turtle said, you don't need to sing like anyone else. Your voice is special and it's yours alone. Finn was still unsure, but that night he decided to give it a try. He took a deep breath and let out his loud, croaky call. At first, he was nervous, but soon he realized that his croak sounded pretty good. To his surprise, the crickets and other frogs joined in, turning the pond into a chorus of joyful sounds. Finn felt proud of his unique voice. From that night on, he sang whenever he felt like it, and the pond became a place where all the creatures sang their own songs, just as they were. Moral of the story: embrace your uniqueness. Your voice is worth sharing.